just nailed it, and I have got a product here that I want to introduce you to. It is Pretty Diva's top coat, a gel nail top coat. It is a matte gel nail top coat. Excuse me, I've got a little bit of wheezing going on here this morning. So we're going to check this out. Ooh, love the bottle. It reminds me of like a wooden, except it's not. It's plastic, but some little grains in here would have been really super cute. You can find this on Amazon, Pretty Diva, matte top coat. If you want to look it up, matte gel nail top coat you might want to put. I have got 3 nails here ready to go. This is purple, pink, and black. They are all from divainabottle.com. So you can go there, check out Diana's nail polish lines. Place yourself in order. So I'm going to matte top coat all 3 nails. See how they look. I've seen a purple and a black matte before, but I don't think I've seen pink. I mean, I've had to have, but I can't think of any. You know, I can't think of like, oh yeah, I've seen that matte. Yeah, it's not coming to me. It's not coming to me. Coat your nail real well. Cuticle to tip. Sidewall to sidewall. So I'm going to put the bottle here. And it's going to roll so it will roll away from me. So I'm going to put this in the lamp for a full cure. Again, Pretty Diva. On the box they have, put this up so in case you want to screenshot ingredients, warnings, and directions. Pretty Diva. I thought this was a really cute box. The only other matte nail polish I've ever used was by Diva in a bottle. So, and this has got a slow drip. I don't know if I'll be able to show you, but it has got a slow drip on it, where you can hang it like this and not have to worry. So that's a good thing. A slow drip, I think, is always a good thing. I'm gonna put this back in the box. Check her out. Let's check out the nails. Okay, I have now seen pink matted. But I'm gonna cure these just a little bit longer. They don't feel done to me. So I'm gonna cure those a little bit longer and I'll be right back. Alrighty, we are back and fresh out of the lamp, the cooker, the oven. And I think these turned out really well. I'm gonna have to compare this to Diva in a Bottle's matte top coat. I do love the purple matte. I do love the black matte. I think it looks really super cool. Love how I'm a feeling type of person. I love to feel for textures, anything like that. In a store, I am horrible with the clothing department. If it looks soft, I have to touch it. It's like an OCD type of thing, so I do that with nails as well. There is our 3 nails matted out. Pretty Diva matte gel top coat. Check it out on Amazon. It was $9 and some change. Once you add on your tax, it was just a hair over 10, and I have Amazon Prime. So check out Pretty Diva. Be well worth it. Have yourselves a great day. Have a blessed day, and thank you.